Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to track the steps or the step count on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. And once you open the menu, you should see the stats option. Once you tap on it, it will open the statistics menu, and here we have the calories, the steps, and the I believe standing goal or something like that. And as you can see here, we have the amounts of steps we took, and also the goal below. If you want to, you can also scroll down and see more detailed information. Basically the graph through the whole day. You can also check this information on the phone application if your smart band is paired with it. So I'm gonna bring the phone right here. Zoom out the camera like this, move this to the side, move this to here. Okay, now on the phone, let's open the Mi Fitness application. And once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on it you can scroll down, and here we have the steps. You can tap on them to see more details. Why did it open the Google Play? I don't know, but here we have the details of our steps. We have the daily progression, weekly, and the monthly. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the steps or step count on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.